guys, welcome back. So we're on my patio today. I did this plant wall. So today's video is something that I've been so excited about. I've wanted to do this for a while now, so let me give you guys some background. So I don't know if you guys watch Japanese TV shows, but our favorite show, Terrace House. It's just so wholesome. It's a Japanese reality TV show. It's on Netflix. Fully recommend. Mr. Lavi is playing it. So we're watching Terrace House, and it's basically just like young adults living together, that kind of thing. And they went on a date to do glass blowing, and I was like, okay, there's glass blowing? That's a thing out here? And it was like a cute place. They got to make stuff, and I was like, okay, let me see if they have that in Hong Kong. They do. This is like Easter weekend. There's a lot going on. You know, still social distancing and everything, but we move. Like, life is going on. So I'm so excited. Me and Mr. Lavi are going glass blowing today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy following us around glass blowing for the day. And yeah, we'll see you guys there. So when we first arrived, one of the things that you get to choose is all of the colors and patterns and essentially what you want to do. So you get this paper that you see here and all of these colors to choose from. We decided to do cups just because we thought that would be the most practical. This is the table where everything is set out where you can actually roll the glass. One thing that I really liked about Glazden was that they actually taught you about the entire process. You can see here she's really teaching us and showing us like how the process works. You can see it's gradually getting bigger once you blow into it. It's really a cool process. I don't even think you can realize through the video just how hot the glass actually is. So because of COVID, you can't actually just blow into the glass. They have these disposable attachments that allow you to blow on into the glass without actually having to, you know, germs, all of that. So now you can see the glass is actually coming, you know, to life. It's starting to actually look like something. This was just so cool to watch it go from red, hot, liquid stuff to like blue and white, which is the colors that I chose for my cup. Here we're just flattening out the bottom of the glass. And it's actually so delicate. I know it looks like kind of weird because there's three of us, but it's really so fragile. And you'll see at the final product at the end, you can kind of see that it's like handmade because it's just, you can see all the waves and the curves in the glass. It's very, very cool. So what they're doing now is just melting the bottom of the glass so it's not sharp so that it can lay flat when you put it on the table. And the cups had to sit in the kiln overnight, I think for 16 hours they said, but they sat over for an entire day in the kiln. That is where the liquid glass would go into. Such a cool process. So if you wanted to have colors or like an accent of color on yours, that's what Mr. Lavi is doing here. And you roll that onto your glass after you put the main color down. So you can see here the main color is red, but there's also going to be streaks in it as well. I really enjoyed the teaching aspect. It was really cool to learn the entire process from people who do this every single day in their studio. It was a really fun experience. I don't even think you could tell from this video just how like flexible this glass really is and how delicate she's being on this cup. So same end process as mine, just making sure that the bottom is flat and there's no sharp pieces on the bottom, and into the kiln overnight. If you ever have the opportunity to go glass blowing, I highly recommend. And now for the final product. These are our cups. What do you guys think? Like I said, you can kind of see on the top, it definitely looks like handmade, like we sculpted it ourselves. Such a cool experience. You can see the blue and the white and the entire pattern, the circular motion. It was just such a cool experience. The glass is really sturdy as well. It's like a very thick, like substantial, like it's heavy. And you could do whatever size cup you wanted. We just decided to do drinking glasses, but we could have done them smaller or bigger. I'll be sure to put links in the description box, so if you're ever in Hong Kong and you want to try glass blowing, highly recommend this place. It was very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.